Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. Do me a favor, my people. Let's hit the like button. Push us through the algorithm. Let's get the knowledge of Sologenic, Coreum, XRP out to the masses. We need mass adoption. Build on Coreum. Hashtag build on Coreum. We need mass adoption. So, people, this is an emergency alert. It's an emergency alert, my people. Hit the like button, subscribe, share this to your friends, your family. So it's an emergency alert. Coreum at the moment sitting at 23 cents, 23.65, down 1.91% on the day. As I've been saying in the previous videos, in my opinion, support is at 23 cents. We've been in the range between support at 23 cents and upper resistance at 0.2447. But what we're in at the moment is a symmetrical triangle. This yellow line, downtrending resistance. This yellow line, uptrending support. It meets here. So this meets here. 5th of May 2023. We've got to make a decision by that time. And as we can see, support, resistance, down for a bit, resistance, support, came up, actually broke this line on support, got bought back up, came down to support, up a bit, support, back up to resistance, down to support, back up to resistance, couldn't make it all the way, back up, couldn't make it all the way down to support. So as it goes on, this channel's getting smaller, the moves are getting thinner, if that makes sense. So what we can see, which way are we going? Which way are we going next? How do we tell which way we're going next? So if we take this, if we take the point of resistance and support, that will show us our next move or our next target. So if we break up out of this, anywhere from here, it takes us to about the 27 cents. If we break down, anywhere from here, it takes us to this underneath support of 20 cents, 25.5 cents. But how do we know which way we're going? What's the probabilities? So if I put this to the side, as we can see, we're coming down into the symmetrical triangle. My people, take a look here. I know it's a bit small, but we've got this chart pattern sheet here. And if we can make this a bit bigger without covering the whole screen. So chart pattern sheet, here's my people. And what it looks like here, we're coming down. It looks like we're in this symmetrical triangle. If you see symmetrical triangle, because we're coming from a downtrend. We're coming down and bouncing. And this chart pattern sheet shows that if when we're coming down and we're bouncing, the probability is that we're going to go to the downside. Whereas if we was in this symmetrical triangle, coming from an up, coming up this way, then the probability will be going up. You see, bang, going up. So in my opinion, we look like we're on this, in this symmetrical triangle here, and that will lead us to the 20 cents, 25 cents. It says, look, how do you tell which way a symmetrical triangle will break? One way to tell is to look at the trend of the higher time frame. If the higher time frame is in an uptrend, then the chances are the symmetrical triangle would break out higher. So if this is an uptrend, chances are break out higher. If the time frames are in a downtrend, then the chances are that it will likely break down lower. So we're in the 30-minute. If we take a look at the 4-hour and the higher time frame, we're in the downtrend. Up, we're in a downtrend. So the chances are we're in the downtrend. The chances are that we will be breaking lower. So that leaves us, or puts us, at a target of 20 cents. So my people, this is an emergency alert. Coreum has to make a move. It has to make a decision. Are we going to go to the 20 cents? Or will we push up to the 27 cents? So this is an emergency alert, my people. If you got anything out of this video, do me a favor, like, subscribe and share. I'm doing my best to keep us updated on the price action of Sologenic, Coreum, XRP. As we can see, Solo's at 13 cents. The 13,459 down 0.25% on the day on one of the charts. Up down 1.61% on one of the charts. Up 0.43 on the other one. XRP sitting at 0.47597 cents. Coreum sitting at 23.67. So my people, do me a favor, if you like the video, if you got anything out of this update, hit the like button for me, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. Peace.